Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video. And today I am here to share hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny. I think it's hashtag Deck the Year 2025, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. And my desk is a complete mess. I just did this. um, yeah, so Penny's doing this open collaboration where we come on and share, what do you call it? Alter playing cards, timesheets, index cards in any size, and yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so I am doing I keep forgetting, I think this is a 3.5 by 5. No, it's a 3 by 5 index card. And I used one of the Tim Holtz paper dolls, and I just, did a paper collage on the background with scraps of paper, and I added this book page trim that I torn from my sketchbook, and then I added some lace. Then I added this butterfly from this bag of goodies, or, of scraps, and added some bling to the card, and I'm calling that a day. So that is my altered index card. It is week number 34, August 21st. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.